Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be creating a cozy corner right here in my kitchen, so come on with me. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. Now I do have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me just go ahead and name them. So we have Design with Emma, we have Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, Sasu Glam Style, and Z9 Design. Now, you can create a cozy corner pretty much anywhere in your house, especially when you're entertaining. So, most of the time, it's done in the kitchen, on the counter, or it can be done in the living room on a coffee table. It's just creating a corner where people can just go and take what they need, whether it be a coffee bar, a breakfast bar, and you name it. There's just so many different things. I'm just going to be creating a little decor area, a vignette, I want to say, and surrounding that is going to be some coffee and some coffee cups. So, yeah, let's get started. So now remember, if you don't want to do the cozy corner and you feel more comfortable doing the vignette, I just realized that I'm doing both because I wanted coffee. I made some coffee and made that available. And then I also wanted to decorate a vignette. So I'm actually doing both in this corner, but it's whatever you guys desire. Now, I have totally been fixated on these trees. Everything is trees, and I cannot wait to decorate different areas of my house. I'm going to go ahead and film those separately, but I needed to do some trees with whatever trees I had available in this vignette. So let me start. Now, I have to admit, I was a little bit intimidated by the cozy corner because I wasn't used to entertaining, and I certainly wasn't used to entertaining like this. And this is so wonderful. And now that I have my own place and I am decorating, I'm experimenting a little bit more. And by the way, guys, I am learning so much from you. Okay, so I'm pretty much done here with this cozy corner vignette, and let's head on over to the review, guys. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank all of the hosts that helped me put this together. I so appreciate you. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and happy holidays.